गोय फुटबॉल संघटनेच्या अध्यक्षपदाचे उमेदवार आवर्तन फुर्तादोन शुक्रारा पत्रकार परिषद घेतिल्ली। गोयच्या फुटबॉल मळार उदरगत करपाक आपूण वावर करतलो म्हण ह्या वेळार फुर्तादो उलयला। तशेंच चर्चिलाच्या फटिंगपणाच्या आश्वासनांक कोणें भुलचें न्हय म्हण आवार्तीनान मुखार आव्हान केलां। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
He should have also thought of the other clubs when he was getting these 3 crores. He should have even put that proposal which Elvis has put to give each club 2 lakhs. He should have thought of that also. Like a fought for that incentive for the club.
Now you speak about Churchill's brother. Okay, now basically you should not compare brother to brother. When you speak about Churchill's brother, what has your brother done?
The brother was there, he's done. He was the vice president. I'm talking about the president.
What has he done being a vice president? If you are talking about Joaquim,
he is the president.
About your brother,
we are contesting for the presidentship. So Joaquim also was the president. My brother was the vice president. So the president holds the regime. Okay, so I'm just talking, I'm comparing that together. So let us not mix politics into sports. Let's take sports to the highest standard. Because we have a younger generation who will look upon the representative of their own village, who's the president, who's the secretary and the members, that they have to look after their future. So I would strongly appeal to all the club members. There are 160 clubs who will be coming to vote for the elections. I would request them, choose the right person whom you feel will do the best in sports.